Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we will be learning about growing patterns. For today's activity, you'll just need to have your fingers ready to count along with me. So, let's get learning! Well, we already know lots about patterns, don't we? The most important thing to see is that pattern core that repeats over and over again. Well, today I'd like to show you something that I have built with my blocks. And here it is. What do you notice? You might see different colors. Is there anything else you can see? You could tell a friend what you're thinking. What does this look like? It looks a bit like a staircase, doesn't it? And what's happening as the blocks move along? Each tower is getting bigger each time. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what shape can you see? It's making a triangle. Well, there's a lot to see here, isn't there? Now let's have another look, and this time I'd like to ask you, what do you think would come next? What do we know? Each tower is getting bigger by one more each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 more than 5? Did you say 6? Yes, I'll make a 6-block tower to continue this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. This pattern is a little different than the others we've seen, isn't it? As we go along, the number's getting bigger and bigger. And when something gets bigger and bigger, that means it's growing. This is a growing pattern. And there is a pattern core here that's repeating. That's how we knew what would come next. Now it's our job to try to see if we can work out what is the pattern core in this pattern. Can you help me out? You'll need to have your fingers ready, and let's try. Look at each of the towers that come next in the pattern. What did we notice earlier? That each tower is growing by 1 each time. So we have 1, then we have 1 more than 1, which is, fingers up, 2. And then 1 more than 2 is 3. And we just keep continuing like this. 4, 5, and then 1 more than 5 is 6. So then, what will come next? Are your fingers up? 1 more than 6 is 7. Okay, let's make the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's place it on our pattern. Wow! Check out our staircase pattern, our growing pattern. Well, now it's your turn to make a staircase pattern. You could use some building blocks or cubes. You might want to stack some books or some tubs to make your staircase pattern. You might have seen that I made a staircase pattern previously with some green stones and a number line. Check it out. When making your staircase pattern, remember the pattern core, and that is to make sure that each step grows by 1 each time. That's what's repeating. Now, are you looking for a challenge? Well, once you've completed your staircase that grows by 1 each time, try and make a staircase that grows by 2 each time. Enjoy your staircase patterns, everyone. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.